is Dr. Eileen Buckle, and welcome to Pediatric Smile Studio. We're located at 2526 Shallowford Road in Marietta, Georgia. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 to 5, with Saturday and evening appointments to accommodate your busy schedule. We specialize in children's dentistry from the eruption of the first tooth through adolescence. Our office is fully digital, including x-rays, to reduce our carbon footprint. We started Pediatric Smile Studio so that we could practice family-style dentistry. We have a warm, comfortable environment with lots of activities so that your child will enjoy their dental experience with us.
We have absolutely loved our experience here at Pediatric Smile Studio. My son loves the TVs, the video games, and especially the goodie bags he gets at the end of each appointment. He's very comfortable with Dr. Buckle, and the staff is so friendly and kind. They make everyone feel comfortable.
For our young toddlers, we do what's called a knee-to-knee exam, with mommy or daddy holding the patient in their lap while we clean. We also offer white cosmetic fillings, and for our more anxious patients, oral sedation as well as IV sedation. From toddlers to teens, teaching proper oral health techniques is very important to us. We look forward to seeing your child at Pediatric Smile Studio, where every child is a star.